Want to revolutionize your classroom? Then, you have to know about the NDP100. With its elegant, user-friendly design, versatility, and highly integrated capabilities, the Q-NEX NDP100 is becoming a must-have in the classroom and auditoriums. The NDP100 can be set to turn on at regular schedules, so that before the teacher enters the classroom, the NDP100 and the classroom's multiple devices, such as interactive displays and lights, electric curtains, and air conditioning, are already ready for the teacher's use. The NDP100 provides a 10-inch control panel that provides a unified entry for teachers to control multiple devices such as lights, display devices, air conditioners, electronic shades, etc., providing plenty of room for control and ease of use in the classroom. NDP100 also provides a 15-watt charging area. The teacher can charge her mobile phone here, which is very convenient. During the lesson, the teacher can use the NDP100's built-in PC and 23.8-inch interactive desktop screen to annotate, whether by finger or pen. The writing will be synchronized to the classroom's display, while keeping good eye contact with the whole class. Q-NEX NDP100 supports 3x2 video matrix switch, allowing demonstration to multiple displays in the classrooms. When it is required to show more materials, such as from a document camera, or from the teacher's own personal computer, it is possible to do so with a simple click. The NDP100 goes with dual wireless mics, one label mic, and one handheld mic, and with built-in power amplification that allows teachers to easily amplify their voice. The NDP100 can also be used as a receiver for broadcasting and live streaming. Campus-wide audio and video broadcasts can be pushed to selected NDP100 connected displays in real time, facilitating information distribution. At the same time, the principal can also use the NDP100 to deliver live speech, simplifying the work of assembling students. What makes the NDP100 so multifunctional? Let's take a closer look at the NDP100s. The NDP100 consists of an interactive pen display, control panel, gooseneck microphone, wireless charging area, abundant interfaces, networked media processor, built-in PC, and optional document camera. Q-NEX consists of web console and app, allowing NDP100 connected classrooms to be controlled and managed via the network through the internet. These combine seamlessly to make the NDP100 a powerful and silky smooth smart classroom experience for teachers, principals, and IT administrators, thus making NDP100 ideal for diverse applications such as smart classrooms, lecture halls, etc. In the smart classroom scenario, the NDP100 brings a one-stop upgrade experience, which can complete the upgrade of the smart classroom in a simple way, and centralized one-stop upgrades to simplify the learning cost of information equipment for teachers. In the lecture hall scenario, the NDP100 makes it easy to deliver presentations to multiple screens in a conference room, providing the ultimate experience for teachers and students. Now that you have a comprehensive understanding of the NDP100, a one-stop solution product to help you enhance your presentation experience, contact us today to get started on your school's smart upgrade.